what can I do if my non-Muslim friend dies? What can I ask Allah? Can I ask Allah to lighten their punishment or any type of dua? See, this is already decided by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. You know, Rasulullah has said about his own uncle. He said that my uncle, because he supported me till his last breath, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will give him the least punishment. So this is general understanding that any non-Muslim was a good person and he was not enemy of Allah. Means physically, that was his faith was between him and Allah, but physically he was not harming Muslims in any way. Indirectly he was not harming Muslim anyway. He was not like, only because he was not 100% sure of the truth of Islam and other religion, so based on that he was a kafir, but otherwise in general way he was a helpful person. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will definitely will give him less punishment compared to the, like Abu Jahl, Abu Lahab of today. Okay, alhamdulillah. So you are not allowed to ask dua for the non-Muslim after they have died. You can ask, about any non-Muslim, big person, rich person, black person, white person, if they are still alive, you can ask about, the hidayah for them. So that, Hazrat Isa alayhi salam and Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam also made the dua, Allahumma hadi qawmin fa innahum la ya'lamun. Allahumma hadi qawmin fa hum la ya'lamun. Allah, guide my ummah because they don't know. So in that case, definitely, they were all alive and he made the dua for them. So when you are making dua for them when they are alive, yes, you can make dua for them. But as long as a person who has, died as a kafir, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has said in Surah At-Tawbah that those people who die with the kufr, and your dua and your prayers will not help them. Jazakallah khairan.